Today we are looking at a Super 47B grain cleaner. This unit has just been rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. It is in like new condition. It also has some modern improvements. We will discuss those in a minute. Now this unit has yet to go to the fab shop for safety shielding. We put custom safety shields around all of the belts to keep everything nice and safe and uniform. Before we send it out, we are going to fire it up and let you see it run, and we are also going to discuss the work that we've done to this unit. We are doing some work here today, so hopefully the noise in the background doesn't bother you. And it is about 3 p.m. so the sun is shining at the perfect angle. Hopefully it doesn't bleach everything out too bad. Just doing a walk around of the unit. I love how these old wooden cleaners turn out. These work just as good as a new one. These are much prettier. They look a lot better in your facility and they do just as good of a job. We can see inside of the shoe. We can see the drive pulley. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt and is in like new condition. We can see inside of the shoe, this unit is a 3-screen unit. We also manufacture and sell these ball trays. We make these ball trays for any cleaner that requires ball trays. Feel free to inquire about them. This is much better than the factory ball trays that are made out of metal, and oftentimes they're too heavy and end up breaking everything over time. We can see the eccentric shaft right there. That's what does all the shaking. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. We can take a look at the fan speed adjustment here. You turn this ship's wheel and that changes the ratio on the fan drive belt here. And that will either speed up or slow down the fan. Right now the fan is running slower because the pulley up here at top is smaller in diameter and the pulley down below is larger. If I turned the ship wheel, that would make this pulley narrower, thus making it larger in diameter, and then it would pull this pulley apart and it would make it smaller down there, so it would spin faster and you would get more air. All of the controls are free on this unit. Everything works as it should. This unit is powered by a single phase 1.5 horsepower electric motor. Again, this unit will have a full set of safety shields fabricated for it. It hasn't been done yet. Before we send it to the fab shop, we just wanted to make a video. And it will also come with a free set of screens. We are going to fire this unit up for you now so you can see it run. All right, here you can see it running. Fired right up, motor starts strong, runs strong. Runs nice and quiet, nice and smooth, you can barely hear it. You can see everything working as it should. We've got some good air blowing out of the fan here. Now the fan is running about as slow as it can go. Again, the fan is adjusted by turning this ship's wheel here. You can see the shoes shaking back and forth. Now these just have the this just has the ball trays installed, so there are no rubber balls in there bouncing around. And it's not loaded with screens, but for demonstration purposes, this is fine. We can run it. Show you guys the machine working before we send it to the fab shop. The motor hums right along. I don't hear any growling or any irregular noises. Just an all-around beautiful machine. See the fan turning there. I absolutely love these older seat cleaners. You can get all the parts you would ever need through us here at Commodity Traders International. We have 4 more of these 47Bs available. These cleaners are older, but like I said, you can get all of the parts you'd ever need from us. We support them, and they do just as good of a job as a new one, and they don't cost as much. They are also way prettier than a new one. Again, this unit will be going in for a full set of safety shields and will come with a free set of screens. We have 4 more of these Super 47Bs available. We here at Commodity Traders International sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. We sell cleaners that are larger than this and smaller than this, rebuilt, good used, as is, and we even sell the brand new units. Thank you for watching.